Hey guys, welcome back. Dr. Kaplan here with Kaplan Chiropractic Center, continuing our journey on breathing and how breathing in conjunction with chiropractic appropriate techniques and also in conjunction with proper lifestyle choices can lead you to a fully oxygenated body, better postural positioning, and a pretty much bulletproof lifestyle and a nice relaxed brain. Today we want to talk about an additional breathing technique. So far we've discussed 8-count breathing. We've discussed box breathing, which are very sedative type breathing techniques. Today I want to discuss a Wim Hof breathing, which is a technique that I've been doing for multiple years that does take some getting used to. We fully suggest checking out his website, Googling how to do it, signing up for the course, which I've done, so that you can really kind of inundate yourself and become a professional. Don't take our advice today and then run with it and do that only. I really suggest you educate yourself. But essentially, Wim Hof breathing is a series of almost hyperventilating breaths. You're going to be taking deep breaths in through your nose and or mouth, through your belly, through your chest, kind of into your head, and then exhaling. And you want to keep repeating the cycle. The breath should be deeper in than it should be out, so a full breath in, a partial breath out, and you're going to repeat this roughly 30 times or so. You'll start to feel a little bit of a tingling sensation as your body becomes oxygenated. You're going to start to feel a little interesting, so make sure that you're in a comfortable scenario, either laying or seated. Once that 30 breaths is done and you feel like you're sufficiently oxygenated, you're then going to take another deep breath in fully, and then exhale and fully empty your lungs. And in this process, you're going to sit and just kind of hold. You're going to notice how your body feels. You're going to notice sensations that you're feeling. And in this hold, your body has been oxygenated appropriately, so you should just be able to sit there and relax. I want you to track how long you've done it for and keep a timer. Once you feel the need to breathe, you're then going to continue to exhale, take another deep breath in, what we call the recovery breath, for about 15 seconds, and then start the process over. You can repeat this multiple times, but the intent is to essentially, at the end of the day, fully oxygenate your body, fully exhale and hold, relax, see what your body does with fully an oxygenated scenario, and then kind of repeat this scenario over and over again. Once again, please go to his website. Please educate yourself on how to do it appropriately. This is just an intro to kind of pique your interest. I use this technique every single morning, if not every single day, to prepare myself for the day, to fully oxygenate my body, and to make sure that I'm functioning at the best that I can so that I can kind of crush the day. If you have any questions on how to do Wim Hof breathing or any other breathing techniques, send us a DM, send us a message, and we can kind of point you to the right place. Have a good day and go breathe. Bye-bye.